Their continued rise not only reflects their artistry and dedication, but also signals a defining moment for Filipino music as it gains recognition on a worldwide scale.
The VP Choice Award, Headlines of the Year for Entertainment Music is presented. SB19, congratulations!
Thank you.
This award recognizes a radio person who rightfully earned the Best Actor Award.
Her ability to create timeless, culturally resonant films while drawing massive audiences and delivering record-breaking success time and again speaks to her unparalleled connection with the Filipino public.
The VP Choice Award, Headliner of the Year for Entertainment Movie is presented to Vice Ganda. Congratulations!
Congratulations again, Sai.
Congratulations, Mike.
This award recognizes exceptional enduring presence in the industry.
Beyond her screen work, she continues to captivate audiences of all ages with her effortlessly engaging personality, balancing humor, charm, and the timeless beauty that has long defined her as one of the Philippines entertainment true icons.
The VP Choice Award, Headliner of the Year for Entertainment, is presented to
And Curtis, congratulations! Congratulations, Anne.
Congratulations.
This award recognizes
Helped redefine the standard of Philippine media, solidifying her role as a true pillar of the industry.
the VP Choice Awards. People of the Year is Miss Antoinette Gonzalez. Congratulations!
Award na to na People of the Year because I wouldn't be able to accomplish everything that I do without the people who I work with, the people beside me, behind me, together with me, in front of me. So some of them are here today from entertainment and news, our stars, my colleagues, also from our news department. And I also want to acknowledge the partners of GMA that we work with because without their cooperation, we won't have a resilient industry. And I think with more collaborations and cooperation, our industry can flourish more. Again, thank you and to God be the glory.
Congratulations. That's Senior Vice President of GMA Network, Attorney Annette Gonzalez. People of the Year.